Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to link a button to a page in WordPress. Example, if I want to link this particular button to this particular page so that anyone who clicks on the button, it will take them to that page. This is how it is done. So first of all, come back to your WordPress admin dashboard, go to pages and then select the page you want. Then from there, you will see edit with Elementor if you are using Elementor. If you don't have Elementor, go to the plugins and then add Elementor plugin and then activate it. Then come back and refresh it. Then you will see edit with Elementor and you open it in Elementor because it is easier to do it in Elementor. So you open it. So when that is done, you will scroll down to the page. Scroll down to the button where you want to link the page. So you click on the button. So currently I'm at that button. So you click on it. Then you come to the left hand side. You will see link. So what you do is that you simply come here and then click on the link. Let me click on the link correctly. Copy the link correctly. So that is the link. Then you come here. So I'm deleting what was there, though that was just the same link, but I want to demonstrate it to you. So you paste the link and then you click on publish. When that is done, and then you come here, let's view the page again. So when you come and then you click on the button, so you see it has been linked successfully. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. See you in the next video and bye.